These are clouds moving by on the back porch in real time. It may not look fast in the camera, but oh boy, it is. And yeah, there's a bunch of leaves. Bunch of leaves blowing on by. Yeah, and the birds are making a run for it. This is kind of cool. It's sunny out. And we're in the middle of a low pressure cell. Oh, a bunch of stuff blowing off the roof here that had been blown off the trees and fell on the roof and onto the ground. Ain't gonna get no lower than that. Love the change toward fall. We've had a long dry spell. It's nice that it's ended, but now we got 6 months of winter to look forward to. I'm looking almost straight up at these 150 to 200 foot fir trees that are right at the back of my lot. See, we're right here. Well, you can really hear them blowing. It's gonna break off a few branches. I've been without power for almost an hour now. Breaking off heavy branches and pulling down big fat trees that have been growing all summer long. I don't know, I love these strong winds because in the northwest they're seldom strong enough to do any deadly damage. Oh, and there's some trees off in the neighbor's yard. They're blowing pretty good too. They're about 200 feet tall too. There's a good gust. Look at how it's holding that fir tree over. Man. Doggies, that feels pretty strong. It's just, it feels good. It's not cold out. It's about 65, 67 degrees. It's just nice and windy. Oh dang, I'm gonna have to clean off the car. It's got all them fir needles on it. Dang it. Dang it.